Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A17 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's enter. And if you will open this option for the very first time, you will have to choose between the well-being and the controls. Of course, just tap on the first option, and later on you will be able to check the other sections, so the parental controls. But coming back, after tapping on the well-being, your device will display this kind of graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. You can see that I've been using it for 13 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. Here we've got also the unlocks and notifications count, and basically we've got two different ways to check some further details. So we can tap directly inside the graph, and thanks to this we will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show us the graphs, the information about the total time spent on the screen. We can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And the second way to check some details is to tap directly on the app. So we can pick Chrome, camera, settings, or any other app you've got here. So just tap on it, and the same situation, your device will show you the graph, but this time it will be tightly connected with this particular app. So basically this is how to check the total screen time. But just a quick disclaimer about the ways to disconnect, because I really think they can be useful. So here we've got the dashboard, bedtime mode, and the focus mode. And for example, let's enter the focus mode. So if you need the time for yourself, you want to focus, you want to work, you want to rest, you want to sleep, you just want to spend the time with your family without any distractions and so on, then I highly recommend to use that kind of modes. So as you can see, we can select distracting apps from the list of all apps which are currently installed on this device, and let's pretend that the camera is most distracting for me. As you can see, it will be added to this special section. You can set a schedule, you can pick particular hours, particular days in which your device will simply limit the notifications from selected apps. So thanks to this you will not be distracted, and I highly recommend to use this mode because it's quite useful. Alright, so actually that's all. This is how to check the total screen time in your OPPO A17. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.